Hi, welcome back to my channel tanhadil.in, Tanhadil Traveler, where I share my travel experiences and trekking tips with you. So if you have not liked, shared or subscribed my channel, please do so now. So today I'm going to talk about the day backpack, which is normally 10 to 15 liters of a day backpack. Now why you need a backpack for a day when you are going for a day hike? What is a day hike? Day hike is usually a hike which is within 60 kilometers of your city limits and which finishes in 2 to 3 hours of your maximum time. Now day trek starts in the morning by say around 7:30, even earlier is better, and finishes by 11:30, 12, and you're back home by half a day. It is a half a day trek. So for that day trek, you need only 10 to 15 liters of your bag. Now this is a day bag which I have bought it from Decathlon store. You can buy it from any other store, whichever is convenient to you or which already you have. You don't have to invest in this bag. Now I'm going to tell you about what all you should carry when you are going for a day trek. Now you are all excited about your first trek or your day trek. You don't have to carry the whole home with you. All you need is very basic stuff. When you are going with a trek company, usually they carry some stuff, but to be on a safer side, you just have to carry this bag which is easily liftable. You can lift it with you, and you mind you that you have to trek in this bag. Now I am going to tell you the list of things which you need to carry along with you, the basic stuff which you need to carry, and which is also just in case you need it, otherwise you don't need them. Normally 2 to 3 hours of hike or a half a day hike can be done easily without any great stuff carrying with you, but it is always good to have things with you. So I'm going to share what all you need, right? Let's go. The first very basic important point is what and how many liters of water you should carry. Now for any day trek or a half a day trek, you need at least minimum 2 liters of water bottles, 2 liter of water which you need to carry with you. So these treks are nearby your home and which is within your city limits, so they do not have any water stream, so there is no refill. So you need to carry your hydration with you, along with you. So minimum 2 liters of water is a must. Next very important thing is to check the weather conditions. Now if it is rainy, you need to carry a raincoat, and if it is very sunny, you have to be extra cautious. All you need is a good pair of sunglasses, must, a hat. Normally a cap will protect you from the sun, which is very important, and a lip balm. You normally when you trek, your lips become dry, so you need to carry a lip balm, and of course your sunscreen lotion. I do not have my sunscreen lotion here, but you need to carry, either you apply from home or you carry with you along with you, because every 3 hours you need to apply sunscreen lotion with you. So this is for your weather conditions. So next very important thing is your energy. Now where do you get your energy? Normally you get your energy for 2-3 hours is enough for what you eat when you leave your home. It could be 2 slices of bread with peanut butter, a fruit, any carbs which is good enough, a small bowl of porridge, anything, or small upma, bowl of upma, poha, anything Indian breakfast will suffice you for a half a day trek. But still, if you need to carry some more energy, you can carry energy bars, you can carry some fruits. Banana is a very good source of energy. You can carry oranges. Oranges is again very good because it gives you a lot of vitamin C, which is good for your trek. Banana is very important thing. Then dry fruits gives you instant energies. In dry fruits you can carry almonds, cashews and your dates. Dates gives you instant sugar spike, and which is good enough for your day hike. Another for dehydrations and for your instant energy with the sugar level to increase, you can carry small juices with you. This also keeps you hydrated and gives you instant energy. What medicines to carry? Now you don't have to carry the whole hospital with you. All you need is your basic medicines. If you are under medication, take your basic medicines with you. Sometimes when it is very severe or harsh sun, you need to carry a headache medicine, because the first thing which attacks your body is your head because of the sun. So carry a headache medicine. I am asthmatic, so I carry my inhaler, which is very important for me. I also carry a band-aid. Normally, sometimes when you are walking in the woods, there are thorns, there are some things. If suppose you slip or something, you just carry a band-aid with you, or you can carry some antiseptic cream or something like basic your Boroline or your I also carry Volini sometimes, because it most of the time when you are not walking properly, chances of getting sprain in your ankle. So some move or Volini kind of a thing is good enough to carry. But if you are going with a trek company, normally they carry the first aid kit with them. So check with them what they are carrying. If they are not carrying what you need, is you can carry with you. So these are the basic few things, medicines which you need to carry. You don't have to carry the whole hospital with you, right? Of the treks are near the villages, near the hills. The hills are near your villages. So there are very less likely chances that your credit card will be used, or any of the cards will be used, or any online payments are applicable. So all you need to carry is your cash. Now again, cash. How much cash to carry? You don't need much cash, but enough cash so that in case of emergency you can buy some medicine, you can buy some fruits with you, or for food or to come back home. That's all the basic amount of cash you needed. That's it. You don't have to carry the whole bag, the whole pouch, or the whole wallet with you. You need your iCard, your cash with you. That's more than enough. So when you want to go on a trek, you want to take good pictures of yourself, right? And you want to stay connected with your people. All you need is your phone and your battery backup. Phone, because you have to connect with your people, you know where you are, how you come back, and phone serves you as a very good camera. When you take pictures, within no time your battery goes off. So carry the extra battery with you, and this is enough for you. If you are an adventurist, you want to carry a big camera, you know what all you carry. If you are carrying a GoPro, you know what all you do need to carry. But basically, all you need is your phone and your battery backup. Last but not the least, mind you, you are a visitor in jungle, you are a visitor in mountains. Do not litter, do not leave any trash. Carry an empty bag, bring your trash back. You have to keep your environment clean, you have to save your Mother Earth. You don't have to, leave any traces in mountains. Basically, you have to keep the environment clean. Carry a trash bag, bring your trash along with you. Carry a sanitizer, keep yourself safe, keep others safe, wear your mask. Must, must, must. So this is all you need in your day backpack. It should not be more than 3 to 4 kgs. If 2 liters of water, another 1 or 2 kgs more, that's all you have to carry for your day hike. So I will come back with more tips on trekking. Till then, keep watching my channel, Tanha Dil Traveler. And if you are interested in reading, please watch my blog or read my blog tanhadil.in. Till I come back, bye-bye.